There is a place in upstate New York, hidden away in the Adirondacks. Today, we're going to take a closer look. So what this place is a cowboy themed theme park. Right now we just walked by the stables where they house a lot of the animals for like the rodeos that were going on here. This road is just so deteriorated. Probably passed by here with a truck, but definitely not by car. Dude, look at that. Oh shit. That is awesome looking. This thing just has some spooky vibes going on here. Sorry, it's not doing too good, but all made out of wood. Oh, this looks like where you would get on onto like a horse, maybe. It does. Get lined up, go on a little horse ride. So this place started in 1952. It got abandoned in 1998. So it's been abandoned for a couple decades now. You can kind of see how much it has fallen apart. Everything's just starting to become all sideways. So it's pretty good that that's still there. I was kind of worried that like a lot of things were taken apart, maybe. I try to mimic old saloons out west. Look at this, you got your old typical swing doors. Oh, that's cool. This piano. Back by the kitchen. Old saloon having a deep fryer. I like the walls, look at that. Some nice painted walls right there. It's always the attention to detail. Yo, this thing still plays. That's insane. Not very well. Yeah, a couple of notes, that's all you need. This, I'm guessing, would have to be a gift shop. Got your counter, shelves, collapsing. Yeah, this right here is not looking too great.
No, I mean like the roof is completely in.
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of little shops here. Another roof collapsed. An old ice cream shop. Yeah, that right there is all collapsed.
We're about 30 feet away from the rodeo.
But was once seating, now no more. It's all like grown in too. Oh, there's more seats back there. See it. Stairs are pretty much unusable now. The announcer will probably stand in there. All the stables in the rear. Just get ready for the show. Now it's just so overgrown, like you wouldn't. It's like unusable. How much, like, it's crazy how much like vegetation just grew in.
20 years.
Oh yeah, out here you could probably do something. Still kind of have rodeo. This looks pretty cool right here. It's like a little sycamore forest. That just looks insane. Just walking through here. It's all like fenced off in sections. Some old water mill still remaining here. Even the aqueduct still leads to it. Yo, can you get in there?
What?
Can you go inside?
Yeah.
Gotta check that out. Take a look inside. Oh, you can actually see the mechanism.
Yep.
Wow.
On a water chute.
The grain will get grinded up in there.
And come out here.
Come out here.
I don't know how sturdy it is up there, so definitely be careful.
Yeah. It seems pretty good, actually. Grinding wheels.
Yep. They cheated though.
Did they?
Yeah, sealing it. Back in the day, they'd have to seal those like they did ships. With tar and basically like fibers.
Yeah.
But if you look right here, you can see what they used.
What, do you use Flex Seal?
Sheet steel. You can see it right in that one.
Oh, yeah.
Two lights popped up.
Right.
Sheet steel up there.
Alright guys, we're going to continue with our Adirondack trip. And make sure to subscribe. Go adventures all the time. Give this video a like, helps me out a lot. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the spot. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Take it easy.